Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do the axle camshaft bushing chain on the Sienna 2011. It had been oil leak since I parked in garage. They got a lot of oil leaks right there. So I just barely wiped out. So what I'm going to do is take it off the tie, take it off whole axle, and imagine the axle right here. Right here, it's an little camshaft right here. I'm sorry, this is a ride shaft. It's right there. You can see it, the oil leak from here. You see that they wet. See, they leaked from there. So that means the seal is bad. So the more you're driving, when the engine hot, the more oil come out. This is from transmission. They come out. So yeah, let me take it out and change it. You see, all in this area it wet because the transmission came out. So yeah, so let me start it. Alright. We're getting duck now. So if you guys like it, give me thumb up. Subscribe below. I am Fishhead. Thanks for watching.